Hello Bar is a tool that promises to help you increase conversions on your website. But before you pull the trigger, there are 7 key things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you a special opportunity to try Hello Bar for free. And trust me, that's something you won't want to miss. First off, Hello Bar is all about simple, effective conversion optimization. If you've tried other options like Opt-in Monster or Sumo, you'll quickly notice that Hello Bar keeps things incredibly streamlined. While tools like Opt-in Monster can feel overwhelming with too many options, Hello Bar keeps it simple, making it easy to set up a bar or pop-up with a few clicks. This simplicity can be a big win if you're looking for something quick without too much of a learning curve. Next thing you need to know is the customization options. Unlike some competitors, Hello Bar offers a solid range of customization features for your pop-ups and bars, but it's not as complex as others. With Hello Bar, you get control over the colors, text, and timing of your pop-up, and it integrates well with your website's overall look. It's especially good for those who want a professional-looking result without dealing with extensive coding or design work. The third thing you should consider is the targeting and triggering options. When compared to competitors like Sumo, Hello Bar's targeting isn't as granular, but it still offers strong options. You can target users based on their behavior like exit intent, page scroll, or how long they've been on your site. However, if you need more advanced targeting features, like the ability to trigger actions based on user data, you might find Hello Bar a bit more limited than other tools in this space. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its integration capabilities. Hello Bar integrates seamlessly with major email marketing platforms like MailChimp and ConvertKit, which is crucial for businesses that rely on email marketing. However, if you're looking for something that integrates with a wider range of niche or custom CRM systems, it may not be the most versatile option compared to some of its competitors like Opt-in Monster, which offers more integrations out of the box. Next, let's talk pricing. Hello Bar offers a free plan, but its premium plans unlock more advanced features like A/B testing and analytics, which are crucial for measuring your campaign's effectiveness. The pricing is competitive, especially when you compare it to options like Sumo, which can get pricey for the same level of functionality. If you're just starting out and need a tool with essential features, Hello Bar's free plan is a great way to test things before committing to a paid plan. The sixth thing is the analytics. While Hello Bar does offer basic analytics on how your bars or pop-ups are performing, it's not as comprehensive as what you might get from competitors like Opt-in Monster. You'll get a sense of your click-through rate and impressions, but if you're someone who needs more in-depth analysis with detailed reports, Hello Bar might fall short. It's great for basic users, but advanced marketers might want more. And finally, the ease of use. Hello Bar is by far one of the easiest tools to use if you're a beginner, and even intermediate users will find it a breeze. Compared to more feature-heavy platforms, Hello Bar lets you get up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. So if you're new to digital marketing, this is definitely a tool you can dive into right away without feeling overwhelmed. So, if you're ready to dive in and see what Hello Bar can do for your website's conversion rates, don't wait. Click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Give Hello Bar a try today and see for yourself how it stacks up against the competition.